more glamour, more star power, and more panache. That's how Day 2 of the Lakmé Fashion Week FDCI 2023 was, where several seasoned designers showcased their collection. And of course, some celebs just stole the show as they walked the ramp with much sass. Designers Varun Bahl, Tarun Tahiliani, Samant Chauhan, Paras and Shalini, and Ashish N Soni presented their captivating collections on the second day. But we actually had our eyes fixed on the guy who is certified made in heaven. We are talking about actor Jim Sarbh, who was the showstopper for designer Samant Chauhan. Jim wore a cream-colored ensemble that featured a button-down shirt with matching pants and a dramatic overcoat with a stylish front. The collection was called Ice Watch, which is inspired by the beauty and fragility of glaciers. Alaya F spilled magic on stage in an all-black look. She walked as the showstopper for designer duo Shalini and Paras of Geisha Designs. Her outfit sure gave all the party feels. She wore a sequined black cord set which featured fringe details both on top and bottom. Alaya went for no accessories with the look and just wore a pair of black high heels. What a bombshell, we have to say. TV actor Hina also turned a showstopper for the students of INIFD and wore a statement piece for the show. She wore a pink pencil skirt with floral details on one side and a front slit and paired it with a cream-colored crop blazer. Designers Varun Bahl and Tarun Tahiliani went ahead with no star showstoppers, but their collections were a hit nonetheless. While Varun's collection Inner Bloom was a testament of his deep connection with nature and his 2 decades in the fashion industry, Tarun's A Celebration of Self-Expression collection merged new age forms with classical artisanal crafts. Whose collection did you like the most? Share your thoughts in the comments and do subscribe to Showstoppers to get all the updates on the Lakmé Fashion Week FDCI 2023.